Assalamu alaikum, it means may peace be upon you. Today, I want you to imagine such a decentralized internet browser where you could earn money only for browsing the internet, and also where the browser could have a built-in search engine, a built-in ad blocker, free of course, and also it could not support any trackers. By trackers, I mean such as Google Analytics, Facebook Pixels, and all the other trackers which these third-party websites have, and also that where you can have ultimate access to your own data, and only for viewing ads you could earn money. Doesn't that sound like a really great decentralized internet browser where everybody could wish to have? Well, say no more. Such browser already exists, but unfortunately most of people don't know about it. And because it was so cool, that's why I wanted to make this video about it. It was basically founded by Brendan Eich, or Brendan Eich, I don't know how his name is pronounced correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong. He's actually the CEO of Mozilla, the parent company of Mozilla Firefox, where he has the history of creating internet browsers. The reason why I started using this internet browser was because I hated being tracked by third-party websites, and this creates a massive challenge for retargeting ads and also conversion ads for Facebook and Google. Because why? Because whenever you visit any website through this browser, you can't be tracked by Google Analytics, you can't be tracked by Facebook Pixel or any other tracker. It has loads of great features. I can talk about it all day long, but before talking about it, let me take you inside this web browser and show you how to earn BAT, Basic Attention Tokens, which is the native cryptocurrency for this browser, where you can earn it and you can basically convert it into fiat currency, any fiat currency that you want, the US dollar, pound, or any other fiat currency. So the first thing that you do is you go to google.com and type in download Brave browser. Once you downloaded the Brave browser, here's the link. You go and you download the Brave browser. This is basically their website. You can download it on Windows, Linux, Mac. So because I have a Mac, it has popped up. Let me show you some of the things that they have on their website, which is really cool. Browse up to 3 times faster, block ads and trackers that follow you around, get rewarded for browsing. These are the features. And it has a mobile version. The reward for mobile version has not been activated yet, but hopefully soon it will be. Okay, now let me show you something which is really cool. It's here. I had opened it. Okay. Yeah, it basically shows a comparison of Brave browser with Firefox, with Safari, and Google Chrome. Invasive ads, it has invasive ads block. It supports cross-site trackers blocked. It supports cookies blocked. Even it blocks the cookies. Malware and phishing protection. Fingerprinting blocked. No IP addresses collect. Anonymized network routing. Tor mode. So the beauty of this browser is you can go completely anonymous in using its Tor browser. So it has a built-in Tor browser inside it as well. Okay, let me show you some of the great features that it has. So the first thing is that when you download it, you get to this page. It basically shows you how much bandwidth it has saved. It has saved me 2.23 gigabytes of bandwidth. It was fast. It saved me 1.2 hours of time. It has blocked this many trackers and ads. This is cool. This is basically the ad blocker. This is the logo. You can the reason you can't open it in here because it shows, because I have opted into seeing ads on Brave browser. So as you can see, it has a beautiful feed in here where you can scroll and read the news and all the stuff, latest news. And in terms of showing the digital advertisement, you can advertise in here in Web3. This is beautiful. So you can customize it based on your own choices. So let me go back there and show you more stuff about it. If you go to settings, and here you go to settings, and you click on Brave Rewards, it basically shows you how much you have earned. So last month I have earned $6.22, which is equivalent to 5.189 basic attention token. So this is the logo of basic attention token. You can see a pop-up in here as well. It's a cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter if it is less, if it's 6.22 US dollars, it doesn't matter, because if this gets mass adoption, each basic attention token, its price may rise up to $10. So if you multiply 6 up to 10, you get 60. Okay, so it's in the future it could be worth $60. And this month I have earned 3.098 basic attention tokens. So one of the things that you can do is you can go to the ad setting and click on 10 ads per hour. This way you can earn more. So if you see 10 ads each hour, you can get more rewards. And in next video I'm going to show you how to actually transfer these funds to your wallet, and how you can convert basic attention to tokens to US dollars or pounds, and you can withdraw it in your bank account. Or literally you can withdraw this money. It's not just the money that is inside your browser. You can turn this into fiat currency, which is really cool. So as like other browsers, you have the history here. You can see your history, what do you have, or what do you have searched for. You have your bookmarks, you have your downloads, and you have your wallet. So in here, the wallet is supposed to Ethereum main network. You can, it's a decentralized web wallet. You can actually create custom networks in here, whether it be a Polygon or a network, whether it be Binance Smart Chain. So the moment you can transfer your cryptocurrencies inside the wallet in here as well, which is really cool. And more than this, let me show you what other stuff it has. Yeah, it has a built-in search engine. Suppose if I search, okay, the best browser, web browser. Let me see, what does it show? As you can see, it has search.brave.com is the domain, and the search engine is really good. It's quite interactive, and the design is really good. And what you can do is you can earn more rewards. One of the coolest thing that it has, the Brave browser, it has the content creator program where you can sign up for that. The content, creator, publisher. This is called the publisher. Earn more basic attention by becoming a publisher. So what you can do is you can sign up for this creators program, and it is basically allows creators from different websites, from a blog, from Twitch, from YouTube, from your own website. You can earn rewards. Suppose you have a fan of 10,000 subscribers. If you go to a YouTube channel and you open his channel, you can reward him if he has joined the creator program. You can let me open some of these. Yeah, let me open Russell Brand and see if he has. I've been following Russell Brand. He's a good guy. If he has opted in inside the creator account for Brave, when I click this, I can reward this creator. Look, the creator is not signed up yet, which means that he is not signed into this program. If he had, I could send him tips because I'm his fan, and this way I could support him and send him some of my basic attention tokens. And if you would like to send me some of the basic attention tokens to support my channel, you can do that, because I'm already a part of the creator program. And if you go and click on, look, there's a verified, the Avon Boy on YouTube. It's a verified creator on Brave browser, and also on Twitter. Twitter has already adopted this the Web3 functionalities already, where you can tip one of the guys that you follow on Twitter. Okay, let me show you how. So there's basically, when you open Twitter, you see this basic attention token tip, where you can tip an account of your favorite. Okay, your favorite account. It says that this creator is not signed up. If he had signed up, you could send tips for him. Unfortunately, Ted is missing this opportunity. Okay, that's it. And just before finishing up, let me show you one more important thing, which is the update section. So remember that, for example, I have earned 3.098 basic attention token this month, which is equivalent to 3.71 US dollars. If I click update, what happens? These tokens vanish right away. So make sure first receive your tokens. The date of receiving token is 7th of each month, and yeah, please make sure to receive them and then update your browser. That's why I haven't updated it yet. I want to receive these lads in here. That's it. Let me know if you had any question. Yeah, in next video I'm going to show you how to basically how to get your rewards and where you can get them. I will introduce you to another wallet, and you can get these rewards and you can turn them into cash. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because it really is hard to make